What's going on, guys? This is Fernando from Famous Customz in Apopka, Florida. Here we have a customer's Toyota Supra MK4 original turbo car. We did a full color change, door jambs, trunk, engine bay. We installed the new aftermarket side skirts, aftermarket rear bumper spats. This is an original OEM Toyota color. Engine bay. It's going out this week to get the motor installed. Of course, 2JZ GTE has a factory hood scoop. Amazing color. 1500 grit, 2000 and 3000. And then a nice wet sand and buff, and this is the end results. Owner's going to be enjoying the heck out of this car. Any questions or comments? We're located in 2812 Apopka, Florida, 32703. We do everything: resto mods, wide body installs, you name it, we can do it. Visit our website, Famous Customz with a Z at the end.com, or visit our Instagram, Famous Customz. Thanks for watching.